faraway land, there was a little bunny named Benny. Benny loved to explore and play all day long. One sunny morning, Benny woke up feeling very excited because it was his birthday. He couldn't wait to see what surprises were waiting for him. Benny's parents decided to throw him a big birthday party in the magical forest. They invited all of Benny's friends, the squirrels, the birds, and even the mischievous raccoons. Everyone was excited to celebrate Benny's special day. All of a sudden, Benny's friends spotted colorful balloons floating in the sky. They all chased after them. Jumping and giggling. Benny jumped too, trying to grab one of the balloons. But no matter how high he jumped, the balloons seemed to float higher and higher. As he huffed and puffed, trying to catch his breath, Benny noticed something shiny in the corner of his eye. It was a little mouse named Mickey, holding onto a group of balloons. Mickey seemed to be having the time of his life, floating in the air. Benny called out, "Hey Mickey, how did you get up there?" Mickey squeaked and replied, "I found these magical balloons that make you float, but now I can't figure out how to come back down." Benny had an idea. He asked his friends to form a bunny tower, one on top of the other, reaching high in the sky. They all worked together, balancing and holding each other. Benny climbed on top of the tower, just barely reaching the floating mouse. With a gentle... He asked his friends to form a bunny tower, one on top of the other, reaching high in the sky. They all worked together, balancing and holding each other. Benny climbed on top of the tower, just barely reaching the floating mouse. With a gentle tap, Benny popped one of the balloons. Mickey slowly floated down until he landed safely on Benny's back. Everyone cheered and clapped for their bravery. Afterward, Benny shared his birthday cake with Mickey, enjoying the beautiful party amidst the forest. The day ended with laughter and friendships, making it Benny's most memorable birthday ever. And from that day on, whenever Benny stared at the sky, he believed there was always a little bit of magic floating around, just waiting to be discovered.